Mukea Jonathan Mulevi, CB4 538720, a second year pursuing Bachelor in Criminology and Security Studies. I want to present to you an innovation that I've thought of, using acacia tree to cure a cough. When a person is coughing and that person has no any medicine that he can use to cure the disease of cough, he can simply go and carve the acacia tree. When you carve it, inside the bark that you've carved, there are some thread-like structures. Those structures, when you use them and you chew after carving, they are going to cure your cough, even though they are very bitter when you are chewing them. Secondly, there is this other innovation that I've discovered using salt and saliva. When you mix salt with the saliva and then you stir them thoroughly until they mix, then you apply the content, the mixture of the salt and the saliva at your throat, the cough will be healed immediately. These are two innovations that I've thought of and I think they can work. For my sake, I've just used one of it, that is using salt and saliva, and it has worked. So please, my fellow Kenyans, if you can adhere to these and if you can follow these, I think it will work for you and you will be appreciated for what you've just done. Instead of going to hospitals purchasing very expensive drugs to cure your cough, you can just use your saliva and salt, and that will be okay with you. Thank you.